Okay, part 3 is quite an unusual question. It's a nice question, I like it, but it's not straightforward, it's not obvious what to do straight away. So it says find the Cartesian equation of the tangent to the curve at P. So we've got this line that we can draw on meeting P at a tangent to the curve. So we're looking for the equation of this line. So just like in C1, if we go all the way back to C1, we need a point on the curve, which is our pi over 4 and 5, and the gradient of the curve. So first of all, we can work out the gradient of the curve really easily. Because it's a tangent to the curve at P, it's perpendicular to the theta equals pi over 4. And theta equals pi over 4 is a 45-degree angle, so its gradient is 1. So that tells us that the gradient of our line is the negative reciprocal of 1, so negative 1. And that's really important to spot that. It's difficult to do the question without realising that. Next job, we've got to work out the coordinates of P in Cartesian form. And to do that, we need to know our relationship between Cartesian and polar coordinates. If this is our y and this is our x, we've got theta in here, then we know, and r's here, then we know that x squared plus y squared equals 1. Sorry, equals r squared. And we also know that the opposite over the hypotenuse, so y over r, is equal to sine theta, and the adjacent, so x over r, is equal to cos theta. So I often get these two mixed up if I don't draw the picture, so that's why I've gone through that, just so that I don't make a mistake. And now we can substitute in the theta and pi over 4 to work out x and y. So x is then going to be 5 for r, 5 cos pi over 4. And cos of pi over 4 is 2 root 2, so we're going to get 5 root 2 over 2. Y is going to be 5 sine pi over 4, and that's the same. Sine and cos of pi over 4 are equal. So 5 root 2 over 2 again. So we've got everything we need. We've got the gradient of the tangent, which is negative 1, and we've got a coordinate for P in Cartesian form. So we can then use our C1 equation, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 5 root 2 over 2 equals 5 root 2 over 2. Take x. So if we move this 5 root 2 over 2 to the other side, we're going to get y equals 5 root 2 over 2 plus another 5 root 2 over 2, which is 5 root 2. Take away x.